Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Musings with Star Anish. I have no clue what time it is. Hold on, let me check. It's about 1:30 at night. I hope you can hear me well because of the wind and all that. Well, what I want to say is Bangalore as a city for cyclists or otherwise has changed so much. Back in 2008, 2009 when I would ride back home at this same hour of the night, I wouldn't be as scared. I'd be a lot more, comfortable riding at this time. And back then we didn't have this shit idea of tail lamps and headlamps and all that shit on bicycles. I think there was just a lot less people out on the streets back in that time. Lot less truck traffic, lot less construction because we didn't have to accommodate for so much of extra people that came in. So if you plan to use a bicycle as a complete alternate mode of transportation, just fucking forget about it. You want to exercise, go exercise, use a bicycle, that's different. But you cannot use a bicycle to be out at 1:30 in the night trying to get home. That's just lame. It's not possible. That's it.